Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna.
Welcome back, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. SKOOFEE here, back with another video for you guys today. And this one is really dope. But before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also, like this video. And without further ado, let's get on into the video.
When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss.
We are back. So it's time. Now, this is probably my final pickup of the year. It's a really good one. I was finally able to get something a little bit more exclusive. It's been a tough year for me, I'll be honest. I'm pretty sure it's been a tough year for a lot of people getting the exclusive shoes, but I was able to finally come across something cool. Honestly, I truly think this is a dope shoe. This is the only model he's released of this color, so that's also pretty dope as well. Just a story, of course, is always going to give you a story of how I copped these. So day of release day, I made sure I had an alarm set. Like, I had an alarm set for like 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 7. I had an alarm for like every hour. It was a surprise drop on Yeezy supply, and on Adidas it was supposed to be releasing at 10 a.m. Eastern time, aka 9 my time. But oddly, it came out earlier than that. So it came out at like 8:40. Well, luckily I was already on the site and just kind of, you know, in the loop already. I waited on the Adidas website. Yeezy supply site sold out really fast. And I have proof of like how I purchased it. It's all on the previous like stream I did. It came live on Adidas.com. I went on there, checked out my size, checked out with PayPal. PayPal seemed to be much easier because it was just a click of a button. I didn't have to type in anything, so that was really awesome. But that was how I got the shoe. So enough talking. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the shoe here. I didn't cop too many Yeezys this year. I feel like there were some nice colors, but there weren't really too many that I was like, I have to have. I did want that black one. I think it's like I don't know how to say the name, so just please forgive me, but Yeezy or something like that. It's like the black with the green and the pink and all those colors. That one was pretty dope, but whatever, didn't get that, so maybe this was my good luck here. But let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Like I said, this did come from Adidas.com. Here is the Yeezy box. Of course, your standard Yeezy box, nothing really too special. On the top, it does say 700, so hopefully you can see that. On the back, has the Adidas logo. It's probably flipped upside down, but Adidas logo there. On this side, for the color, it just says AZAEL. I think that's how you say that, AZAEL or AZAEL. And that's a size 10.5, as you can see on the label there. So let's pull these things out so you guys get the first look. You know how I do it. I could probably take this all the way out. Maybe. All right, whatever. Woo. There it is. Hopefully you guys can see the first look, but let's just take them both out of here. Standard Yeezy box, just with 700 on top, so nothing really too special there. Now, I will say this is a pretty heavy shoe. It doesn't seem to be as light as the other Yeezys. And I think it's due to what type of materials they used in this shoe. This, I think if I'm correct, this is the first Yeezy shoe that doesn't have any boost. It's a new technology that they're using down here on the bottom. Not sure exactly what type of materials or what sole they're using, but I heard that these are really comfortable. Now I will say, in the pictures, this color right here, it looks white and it's more of like a cream, I would say. If you look at pictures on StockX, that honestly is probably truly what the color is. It's more of like a cream white, I would say. But if I'm correct, I think this part glows, so I think that's why they had to do it like that. Really dope shoe. Here's the bottom. It looks, honestly, it doesn't look as good in person as it did in photos. I don't know if I don't know. It looks whatever, mediocre, I guess. Honestly, I don't like this. I like the material, but I just think it just looks cheap. It just doesn't look Yeezy like. You know, most Yeezys look really good, but these just look really cheap. Whoa. Why is there like worn marks on here already? Yeah, you can see it. These look like they were worn. Yeah, you can see dirt on here. That's weird. Like you can see, like, hopefully you can. I don't know if you can, but I can see it right on the end, right here, right on the sole or the bottom. There's like a little bit of dirt on there. I can see that for sure. And as you guys can see, I just took this out the box. Yeah, there definitely is some like black skid marks on there. I don't know if it's necessarily because it was worn, but you can see it. You can see it on this pod right here. There's some black skid marks on there for sure. You can see that. So that's not cool. I'm not a fan of that. And there's a little bit back here too. It's right on there. So I don't know if you can see it, but there definitely looks like some black marks on there. Not gonna complain. And then here's the other one here. That's what the tag looks like. Let's check this one. See, this one doesn't have any on it at all. Yeah, it has a little bit. Yeah, it does. Man, I swear this thing looks like it was worn. I'm not even joking. Like, this thing legit looks like it was worn. Just a little bit. I mean, this shoe looks better, but I don't like that it has those black skid marks on the bottom of the sole. The sole should be the cleanest, I feel like, you know. This is the Yeezy 700 V3 AZAEL. I think that's how you say that. Really dope shoe. I honestly just want to see them in different colors. It is a really dope shoe. There is really no like special details on it like that. On the back, there is Adidas right there. Hopefully you can see that. So there is Adidas on the back. It looks more of like a high fashion shoe. This fabric inside of here, I don't know what that is, but it looks really comfortable. And there's like a mesh going through here, so it's a breathable there for your foot and stuff like that. This feels like mesh too on this part. Obviously this is a rubber. This is a rubber down here. But it looks like it'll be really comfortable, but I don't know. I'm really pissed about those marks on the bottom of this shoe. That really makes me mad. I'm not a fan of that at all. Hopefully I can complain or say something. I guess I didn't show you the inside. Oh, that's the name of it. It's the Yeezy. Well, I guess it's not called Yeezy, but Ortholite. Oh, so this is an Ortholite insole. Oh, that's not bad. You won't be able to see that, but it does say Yeezy on the inside of there. So hopefully you can see it, but that's it. Just wanted to show you guys the new Yeezy 700 V3 AZAEL in case you guys are thinking of or wanting to pick this shoe up. Man, that drives me nuts, man. I do not like that. Why would they not check this before sending it out? Like, there's legit black skid marks on this shoe on the bottom. Okay, done rambling. There it is. SKOOFEE here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also check out my sneaker group. It is called All Shoes for Sale on Facebook. It is growing really, really fast. We have over 13,000 people in there. So check that out. Free giveaways are in the group. So if you are wondering where the free giveaways are, they are on my group. Yes, I will be bringing free giveaways back in 2020 on the YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. I will have a big giveaway coming really, really soon. All right, SKOOFEE here. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you liked it. And I'm out.
No bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up.